Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So today is day one of the Dollar General clearance event, and opportunities knocking, man. Because with overage, even at 50% off stores, I was scoring so big. One of my absolute favorite items today for all the parents out there, grandparents, are the LUVS diapers for 60 cents. This is one item. A lot of managers, I'm assuming they just decided to put it in the clearance section probably yesterday, and 60 cents after digital coupon at a 50% off store. We're going to walk through that one right away. But this entire table of magic, I mean, I didn't pay very much. I started out at a 70% off store where I actually met one of you guys today. I had a really lovely chat with a subscriber. Shout out to Karen. It was so nice to meet you today. Very nice lady. I see her often, once in a while at clearance events, but she is quite the shopper, and it was really nice to talk to her. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through all these deals at a 50% off store. And I'm going to show you in a second here how to find a 70 store. Obviously, your biggest savings will be at a 70 store. And if it's non-updated, if you can get overage on the coupons, that's where the magic is. So here's our pop quiz. We have this Suave Lemon and Citrus hand soap. So I'm going to show you the UPC. If you open up the Dollar General app and scan the barcode or type it in, however you want to do it, at a 50% off store, this guy is exactly $1. So here's the UPC. You can either scan it, maybe put this video on your television so you could just open up the Dollar General app and scan it. So at a 50% off store, this is exactly $1. At a 70 store, this is 60 cents. So this right here, you would know, oh, my store is at 50%. And then if you see 60 cents, you know your store is at 70% off. So if you have 3 stores, punch in the different zip codes and figure it out. Takes a little bit of fiddling and messing around, but it's totally worth it, especially if the store is stocked with merchandise. Okay, so this is the wow deal. The 48 count size 1 Love diapers. And we are at a 50% off store. I'm not going to be dusting out that 70% off because I know it's not possible for everybody. So these diapers at a 50% off store are $3.60. Look for the Paw Patrol. It has to be the size 1. And yes, I went into the regular aisle like a psycho and scanned a whole bunch of different diapers, and this was the only one ringing up for clearance. Here is your UPC, and look in the clearance and also look in the regular aisle. And we have this $3 digital coupon that's attaching. Oh my gosh. Guys, I actually am going to show you the receipt. At a 50% off store, it's $3.60. So 50% of $7.20, $3.60. Subtracting your $3 digital coupon, 60 cents with Michigan tax, 82 cents for a bag of diapers. If you have a baby shower, if you have a baby, if you want to donate these, this is a crazy price point for diapers. I have not seen this in a clearance event in probably 5 years. So this is amazing. Like I'm so hyper. I'm so excited. And I want to give a special thank you to couponing farm girl Janet and the Geeky Banana Saves. I mean, I found a whole bunch at one store and these ladies shared some of their accounts with me. So that's how I was able to get it because I didn't even load this coupon. So I am just like so grateful to them. Awesome friends. And I was able to score really big with these diapers today. This is just a freebie. It's called the Biore Blue Agave, and it's some sort of like pore cleansing face wash, 5 ounces. Here is the UPC. So it's exactly $2. And if you look in the app, there's a $2 cashback with a limit of 3 times. So what that means is you can buy 3 of these for $6, and then in the Dollar General app, you're going to get that full $6 back that you can use for more stuff. And I basically did this when I first walked into the store this morning at the 70 store. It wasn't $2, it was like $1.20. And that's how I was given the extra money to play with. So I did a couple of these little cashback deals. I know they're not for everybody, but it really helped to make my out of pocket a lot less. I mean, I don't even think I even opened my wallet for some of these transactions I did today. The next cashback is the Jergens Skin Firming. So this one was $2.05. Obviously at a 70 store, it's a little bit better. And it's the 10-ounce bottle. And this was one item. I just walked by it like 3 times in the store. And then I'm like, yeah, I'll scan it. And then I'm like, ooh, it has a cashback for $1.50 back. So even tomorrow, if you're trying to do a 5 off 25 basket or the 10 off 40, I mean, by all means, it's a cashback. So you would pay that out. You can do it up to 5 times. And in theory, you'd get 750 back. So I mean, it's okay at 205, but at a 70 store, it's just a little bit better. But the limit for this is up to 5. I did it 3 times. I found 3 bottles, and I was really happy with that. And I did it this morning at a 70, so it was like a much better deal. We're looking at some free toothpaste, and this was just put on a table. I was like, what's this? So these are $1.50 a pop at a 50% off store. Here is the UPC. This toothpaste I never saw in the clearance section either, so it must have came out of one of those gray totes. And unfortunately, those gray totes, no pennies today. I could find nothing. We have this 3 off 2 digital, so make sure you have that guy loaded. Pretty basic deal. 2 of these, subtracting the digital coupon, it makes it a free item. So again, about those gray totes, they used to be plentiful with pennies and stuff. I don't know who's been going through them. Usually you could find a couple of totes with some pennies, but I could not find a single one today. So, you win some, you lose some. This deal was absolutely fantastic. Obviously, a lot better at a 70 store, and I got these 3 at a 70 store this morning. But at a 50% off store, it's like $13.05 for one of these, and it's the Swiffer Wet Jet Wood. So it's actually the Swiffer with the container that you put in that liquid stuff to mop your floors. I mean, it just seems like a great little product. So I haven't had one of these in years, so I'm pretty delighted to get one. Again, I haven't had one since 2014. Mine broke, so I'm excited for this. This is the digital coupon that you're going to load. It's a $5 off. Make sure you have that loaded. Pretty easy deal, guys. One of these is $13.05. Subtracting your digital coupon, it's $8.05. This is another fantastic deal on these Drano foaming disposal strips. They are $1.12. Subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying 12 cents for this. And lots of stores didn't even have them in the clearance section. So that Shout coupon is like Shout Drano. That's the one that you're going to load. And 12 cents at a 50% off store, that's a really good price point. Be so lucky to find 2 of these Colgate toothbrushes. It's a double pack for $3.75. I'll show you the UPC here in a sec. Here it is. We have a 3 off 2 digital, and it's either on the brushes or the paste. So really pay attention what you're grabbing, and it makes it 75 cents for the 2. So obviously, for a Saturday 5 off 25 basket, that would be like really ideal. I know that the pharmacies, we get these for free all the time, but if not, 75 cents is not a bad stock up price for 2 of these. And it's like 2 per pack, so you're getting 4 toothbrushes for 75 cents. We have the Lysol wipes, and lots of stores just had this in the regular cleaning aisle. Like, they did not have it in the cleaning section, which was really kind of peculiar. We have a 50-cent digital. So if you wanted to throw this in your 5 off 25 basket for tomorrow, I mean, it's just a super smart thing to do. So one of these is $1.57. Subtracting that 50-cent coupon, you're paying $1.07. This next item is kind of an older clearance item, but if you could track 2 of them down, it's the Always Radiant foam pad. We have a 4 off 2 digital, so it makes 2 of these 95 cents, which is a fantastic price point, but you have to buy them in increments of 2. 95 cents stock up price. Now, only 2 of my store cards, I had the 3 off 2 P&G, and these items were in fact attaching. We have a power mop, the Swiffer pet, so it's a little duster. And then we also have the wipes. I wish I had loaded this coupon to all of my store cards, but I didn't. And I kind of go through the breakdown in Tuesday's video of all these little items and how to make it happen. Link the video at the very end. But this coupon is no longer available to load. But I was able to get like 2 pairs of items using this. And it wasn't the worst thing at a 70 store. It was a freebie, so that was pretty cool. And we also have this Scotch Brite sponge for $1.23. Fantastic little filler item, or if you're doing a 5 off 25 and you need a couple little bibs and bobs, $1.23 is not the worst price, and there's a couple sponges in that packet. And then we also have the Secret Aluminum Free. So it's looking like this space-aged deodorant, and I think it's $3.15, and we have a $2 digital coupon dropping it down to $1.15. And this specific deodorant, I think, is about $8 or $9 at any of the pharmacies. Make sure you have this coupon loaded for the deal. But it makes it very, very cheap for this. So, $1.15 when they're regularly like $8.99 for one at Walgreens. That's a very good price point. We have the Glade refills for $2.25. Now I'm going to let you guys know old packaging is working with the digital coupon. The newer packaging is not, which I don't fully understand, but I mean, it is what it is. And here is your digital coupon. And scan absolutely everything to ensure that the digitals are attaching. And, a quarter for this, a very solid deal. Okay, now we have one of these Swiffer Wet Jet liquids, and we have a digital coupon to go with, so it makes it like $1.05 at the end of the day, or $1.03. Here's the UPC. It's in this lavender scent only, and this is the digital coupon that we're going to utilize for this deal. So one of these guys is $3.03. Subtracting that $2 coupon, you're paying $1.03. This is extreme couponing right here. Okay, and now we have the Garnier Skin Active. It's some sort of cleanser for the face. We have the UPC here, and we have a $2 digital coupon also attaching to this item, so it makes it very, very cheap. If you could track it down, probably look for this on a clearance table or in the clearance section. And so it's $2.37, subtracting your digital is 37 cents. I have step-by-step matchups in the video that I made on Tuesday for the clearance event. Watch it linked right here. And the Walgreens video will be published sometime tomorrow, which is Saturday, August the 3rd. And apologies about that, guys. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.